Hello there. Welcome to a new episode of AI failures that might cost millions. In this episode, we will look at the topic, what happens when evaluation goes wrong? If you measure your AI system incorrectly, you will confidently ship a broken product. Your AI system is now in production. You've built evaluation pipelines. You're tracking metrics, accuracy, success rate, error counts. The dashboard looks clean. Numbers are high. Errors are low. From a metrics perspective, the system looks healthy. And that's exactly why this is dangerous. But outside the dashboard, users are struggling. They get answers that are technically correct, but practically useless. They get responses that look fluent, but don't solve their problem. This is the first signal that your evaluation is misaligned with reality. Evaluation in AI systems is fundamentally different because outputs are not binary. They are subjective, context-dependent, and often ambiguous. So when you reduce this complexity to a single number like accuracy, you lose critical information. Let's look at some of the root causes of this problem. Most evaluation pipelines rely on static datasets, a fixed set of questions, a fixed set of expected answers. These datasets are curated, clean, and limited, but production is not. User inputs evolve. New patterns emerge. Edge cases appear. So your system is being tested on yesterday's reality. Metrics like accuracy or BLEU scores only capture surface similarity. They don't measure usefulness. They don't measure correctness in context. Most systems perform well on common cases, but fail on edge cases. And edge cases are where real damage happens. You evaluate components independently. The model generates good text. Retrieval returns relevant documents. Tools execute correctly, but users don't interact with components. They interact with the system. And in a system, errors compound. A slightly wrong retrieval, combined with a confident generation, becomes a completely wrong answer. You're measuring system performance, but not user experience. Did the answer actually help? Did the user succeed? This is the most dangerous failure, because everything looks fine. You don't see the problem, so you don't fix it. How to fix this? Evaluation must reflect real-world conditions, not just controlled tests. Let's look at some of the ways to fix this. Using realistic test data. Use real user queries. Include noise. Include ambiguity. Test what actually happens in production. 2. Task-based evaluation. Measure outcomes. Did the system solve the problem? Not just produce an answer. 3. Edge case testing. Actively test failures. Stress the system. Find where it breaks. 4. Human-in-the-loop evaluation. Automated metrics are not enough. Humans must evaluate quality. 5. Continuous monitoring. Evaluation doesn't stop after deployment. Monitor live performance. AI systems don't fail because models are weak. They fail because feedback loops are weak. If your evaluation is flawed, your entire system is misaligned. If you measure the wrong thing, you improve the wrong thing. And in AI systems, that mistake scales fast. With this, we come to the end of the episode. Thanks for watching and stay curious.